Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to handle your funds is crucial. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw USDT from your OKX wallet. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the OKX app or website open and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, download the latest OKX app for 2025. It's got some cool new security features. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section. This is usually found on the main dashboard. Just tap or click on it to proceed. Next, select your USDT wallet. OKX supports multiple assets, so find USDT in your list of holdings. It might be under a Spot or Assets tab. Look for the USDT icon to make it easy. Now, hit the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details, so let's get those ready. Here's where you need to be extra careful. Enter the recipient's wallet address. This is the blockchain address where you want your USDT to go, whether it's another exchange or your personal wallet. Double check that it's correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Also, specify the amount you want to withdraw. OKX might show you network fees, so keep an eye on those. In 2025, fees could vary based on blockchain congestion. After that, you'll have to verify the withdrawal. This often involves two-factor authentication, 2FA, for security. Make sure it's set up on your account. Once verified, confirm the transaction, and you're all set. The withdrawal might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from OKX in 2025. Remember, crypto is exciting but volatile, so only withdraw what you need and stay safe out there. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.